This is our 1981 Chevy Corvette. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. Then there'll be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the car running. So we are selling this car on consignment on behalf of a local gentleman. It's a really original low-mile car. Just over 30,000 miles. I believe it's 30,190. We do believe it to be original paint, black with a blue pinstripe on the hood. Impressive condition. No dents or dings or cracking of the fiberglass, nothing like that. The cosmetic blemishes are limited to a couple light scratches as well as a crack on the passenger side of the windshield. And again, you'll see close-ups of those later in the video. The black paint looks great, not swirly like we so often see on black cars. The Krager rear louver really completes the C3 look. Black on black just looks really handsome on these cars. The lights are all functional, signals are all crack-free. Obviously T-tops. Check out the listing for photos of the T-tops. They fit on there nice and snug. Power windows roll up and down nice and smooth. Wheels are free of any oxidation or curb rash. Goodyear tires, really nice shape, but we're not positive as to how old they are, so we'd recommend sooner rather than later, or at least before doing a tremendous amount of highway miles. Rockers are nice and clean. No scuffs or real, significant age. Panel fitment's very good. Doors open and close nice and smooth. Now here are close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. The most major is the front splitter. Little front spoiler thing has a crack in the middle. Cars have relatively low clearance, so that's not surprising. There are a handful of chips scattered about the front end. What's nice though is, we often see these front panels being super wavy and ill-fitting and gross, but this one looks nice. You can see there's some very light checking on the, that's the driver's side headlight cover. Very light, but if you look for it, it is there. Look close up of the rocker. Again, just a few little chips, road wear consistent with 30,000 miles, nothing more. A couple very light scratches, center of the rear, both sides. And then again, just going down and looking at the rocker, you can see some chips towards the rear of the door. Quite good. Weather stripping is very nice. Nothing is dry or tired. There's the crack on the outside of the passenger side of the windshield. Car's always been garage kept, adult owned, and it definitely shows. Black cloth, really good look. No punctures or significant fraying or, real signs of age. Both passenger and driver side are very good. Even the driver outer bolster shows minimal wear. Door panels, both sides, free of any kicked open markings, no damaged armrest, nothing like that. Black carpet is quite good throughout, not sun faded or anything like that. Odometer is functional. Pioneer radio actually only plays static. It does power on and lets you seek, but the speakers could use a look. Dash top is very nice with no cracks. You can see the rear cargo area very good.